At Thermo Station, Murdoch was surprised. I wonder why. Anyway, let's look at Thermo Station. Murdoch was taking a good string to battle Infamous. When their friendly diesel friend Russell was going to take the train onwards to Manchester. There was a little engine on the flatbed, or rather two flatbeds. Well, hello there, I'm Murdoch. What brings you to the station, little one? Eh, well, I guess you can call me little one, laughed Bert. Even though I'm old. Oh, you're old like me, laughed Murdoch. But seriously, what brings you to our station? Ew, the Vera series. Seriously, I'm on display. Oh, nice, said Murdoch. That's gotta be fun. Oh, what is? What the rocks that'll keep Mike in line. Anyway, who are you? I am Bert. I'm Murdoch. I'm a 9F. I'm taking this to go straight to Battle for Ness. Huh. Good strain. Oh, nice. Do you take good on you, really? Yeah, but it's not like the good strain you take it now, Bert. I see, said Murdoch. Do you take passengers, though? Oh, yes, I love taking passengers. Makes hates passenger trains, but I love them. Come to think of it, Murdoch, your color kinda reminds me of an old friend of ours. Really? What would that be? Have you ever heard of Golden? Ah, yes. Duck has told me about him. Where is he anyway? Oh, Gordon ended up in a bad accident and was also a National Railway Museum in York. He only visited once. This is the National Railway Museum bottom. Hasn't been back since. Not that that's a bad thing. Point seconds a bit. Doug has told me about the National Railway Museum in York. They don't sell their engines, but he said there was 2-1 contract here. Want to tell me about cold ownership with Flying Scotsman? Ah, yeah. About that actually ended. What? Cold ownership of Flying Scotsman? Oh! No. Oh. Well, Flying Scotsman, said Murdoch, asking. No. That actually didn't end. His contract got renewed. Or, oh, I see. But he's still fully owned by the, museum? Yes. The Northwestern does have ownership of Scotsman, but it's not much. Oh, I see, said Bert thoughtfully. I see. I do have a question. Okay. The Murdoch. I noticed something rather peculiar about this telly. Oh, said Murdoch, explaining. Sky was about ready to blow his whistle. Oh shoot, we should end the video, but say what you were saying about it being rather peculiar. The sport that's on. Huh. I didn't realize we sponsored tracks. Oh, said Murdoch, that's horse racing. Racing TV shows every track in the UK and Ireland. Oh, nice! Then what's this website on the computer? Oh, that's to inspire us, said Murdoch. Every track around the world is on it. Maiden race course for the Dubai World Cup is held. Ugh, marvelous. Oh, that told me you had a racetrack around here. We have a few, said Murdoch, actually. Oh, I see. Oh, looks like you're getting ready to go. Yeah, sorry. Goodbye, viewers.